Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Chito Cooks. So today we are going to cook baby back ribs. Let's start! Alright, so una, i-season natin yung baby back ribs ng salt and pepper. And then let it stay there for 10 to 15 minutes. And then pan fry it with olive oil. Tapos hintayin lang natin siya mag-golden brown or medium brown, gano'n. Baliktaran. Anyway, I forgot to tell you, meron palang tinatanggal na parang white na balat dito sa part ng baby back ribs. So, you need to remove that kasi yan yung nagpapakunat sa baby back ribs. So, kailangan natin siyang ma-remove para pag naluto siya, sobrang lambot. And then while waiting, gagawin ko na yung sauce. So paghahalu-haluin ko lang yung garlic. Pwede din kayong gumamit ng garlic powder since I wasn't able to buy one. Nag-ino na lang ako ng garlic. And then paprika. And then 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Chili powder. And then 2 tablespoons of sugar. And 2 to 3 tablespoons of ketchup. And 1 cup of water. So, hahalu-haluin lang natin siya all together. Tapos, ito yung ilalagay natin na sauce kapag nag-medium brown na yung ating baby back ribs. So, ayan, after a few minutes, baliktarin nyo lang yung baby back ribs.
A few moments later.
And so, pag okay na both sides, lagyan na natin siya ng sauce. Tapos, lulutuin lang natin to in a low heat, as in mahinang apoy. And then, let it stay there for an hour. Tapos, sa other side, 1 hour din. Pero sobrang hina lang ng apoy para mag-simmer yung sauce. Tapos lumambot talaga yung karne. There. So after 1 hour, yung kabilang side naman. May kita nyo may konting sunog, pero it's not the meat, it's actually the sauce. So don't worry kasi natatanggal siya. So after an hour, baliktarin nyo na siya. Tapos lagyan ulit siya ng sauce para masarap. Masarsa. So there you have it. Ito na po ang aking baby back ribs. I hope you've learned something from this video. And I hope you enjoyed this as well. Anyway, shoutout time. Shoutout po pala sa aking inaanak ni Cecilia, na anak ni Ate Peng. Thank you for watching. Enjoy guys and please stay safe. Bye!